Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if your side button or the power button here on the iPhone isn't working for you. Now, there's a couple things you can do to fix this problem and also a temporary solution later in the video that we'll talk about. So let's get started. So the very first thing when it comes to troubleshooting the side button or the power button is simply removing your case. Sometimes there's some really heavy duty cases or cases that can actually not fit well and interfere with this button itself. So I would suggest removing the case. If the case fell or kind of distorted or in the heat, sometimes it could block that side button. So remove any cases that you might have as a first troubleshooting step and see if that side button now is working for you. Now let's say it's still not working. The next thing you want to also do along with that is going to be going into your setting of your phone. So if you go into your setting of your iPhone, we're going to want to shut down the phone and then also restart it, because the side button helps you shut down your phone. If it doesn't work, you can't do that. So you have to go into your settings and then go to general and then go all the way down. It's a shutdown, and you can click on shutdown here and swipe to shut it down just like that, and give it about 10-15 seconds to completely shut it down, and then we're going to turn it back on. And because if the side button works, you should be able to turn it on. But let's say you can't use the side button because that's how you turn on the phone. You can actually plug it into the charger as well, and automatically it will kick on so that it turns on. So hopefully by pressing and holding the side button for about 5 seconds or so, it should turn on, and that means your side button is working. And if it doesn't, just plug it into your charger. That will also, again, like I said, restart your phone, and hopefully we'll get to the next troubleshooting steps that could help you fix your phone. So once you're back into your phone, you might be entering your passcode to get back into your phone. And once you do that, you're going to want to go into your settings of your iPhone. And this time we're going to go to general and go all the way down to transfer reset iPhone, and then click on the first reset option, and we're going to reset all setting, which is the first option. But before you do that, understand what it does. So with resetting all of your setting, it doesn't delete your personal data like photos, videos, apps, anything like that. What it does is resets the setting like network related settings. So if you had saved Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth connected devices, those will have to be reset again. Anything with keyboard dictionary, your home screen layout, if you had a custom layout, that'll get reset. And any location and privacy setting and all settings as well. And it helps when it comes to troubleshooting that physical side button or the power button not working, because resetting all settings sort of works on in terms of fixing the software itself. Now after you have done that and it's still not working, you're going to want to go back into your settings and go to general and go to software update and see if there's a software update available. And the reason why it is a previous software update might have caused the issue where the side button no longer works for you. So you want to update your phone to the latest version, and if there is an update out, it will say here show up the version, and then it will say download and install, and make sure your phone is at least 50% or more connected to a good strong Wi-Fi or cellular data, and go ahead and download the install. Usually a software update, you want to give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes to be able to fully install the software update itself. Now after that, and it's still not working, a temporary solution for you, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, is that if your side button doesn't work, you can actually use what's known as something in your settings. If you go into accessibility and then look for touch here, you can go and activate what's known as Assistive Touch, which allows you to use functions of the buttons that physically don't work. So you're going to turn that on, and this button can act like your actual side button to do certain things. So you want to enable that, so that once you do that, you'll be able to click on home here, and also under device management, you can see things like locking your phone. If you use the side button to lock your phone, you can lock it just like that. And then of course, to wake it up, you can click on that again, just like that. It's a temporary solution for you. So back up your phone and then factory reset it, which is again another method which we'll discuss in another video, which I'll leave a link in the description section, as it takes a little bit longer to do. But what you'll do is back it up and then factory reset it, and then restore back. If you know how to do that using iCloud backup or your iTunes, back it up there and then do the whole process itself, which again we discuss in another video, because this video will become much longer if we do all of that. We'll send the link in the either the description section or the comment section, so check that out as well. Again, now after you've even done the backup and factory reset it and restore it, doesn't work, most likely the problem is a hardware related issue. In that case, you'll need to take it to an Apple authorized retail store that takes a look at it so they can actually diagnose the hardware problem itself. And if your phone is under warranty, Apple might be able to replace your device or repair it for you, but in either case, it's going to be hardware related issue. And again, it's a 50-50 when it comes to the physical button itself. Sometimes if they get jammed or they're simply like doesn't move or click at all, it's just is a physical thing which could get damaged over time. So I hope this video helped you at least fix the issue. If not, at least find a way to get it fixed. And if this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.